Paardevlei is one of the popular venues in Somerset West for bird watching, and flamingos are a particular attraction, especially when present in large numbers. They feed on aquatic invertebrates with their heads submerged in water, using their legs to stir up the mud to release algae and organisms that are filtered through the beak. They can tolerate remarkably high water temperatures, putting their heads under water and sticking out their tongues and walking in almost boiling water. Their pink color is the result of eating algae that contain carotenoid pigments. They preen, distributing oil from a gland at the base of the tail to their feathers for waterproofing. The Makgadikgadi salt pans in Botswana and Etosha pan in Namibia are important breeding sites. During the non-breeding season, they disperse widely and movement is nomadic among a network of wetlands around the subcontinent. Small wetlands are very important and provide valuable feeding sites and migration staging posts. When they migrate, they do so mainly at night, preferring a cloudless sky and favorable tailwinds. They can travel approximately 600 kilometers in one night at about 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. When traveling during the day, the flamingos fly at high altitudes, possibly to avoid predation by eagles. Did you know that a group of flamingos are known as a flamboyance? Many other water birds can be seen there. Red-knobbed coots are common, as are moorhens and cormorants. And little grebes and Egyptian geese and black crakes are also abundant. In springtime, the red bishop displays his striking colours as he proclaims his territory. Also present are the southern-masked weaver and the Cape weaver. There are many other beautiful birds to be seen in the Somerset West region, such as the sugarbird, the malachite sunbird, the pin-tailed wider, and a variety of cisticolas and warblers.